say you want it as bad as you want to breathe, then it's showtime. It's examination time. It's time to get tested, to test your will, your endurance. It's time to test your heart, to test your limits.
Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. My name is Muhammad Noman. How are you, my dear students? I hope you will be fine. Welcome to Advanced English Grammar. In the previous classes, we discussed about the finite words. What are finite words? The finite verbs are those words which are changed according to the tense and according to the subject. They are called the finite verbs. And we completed that portion in the previous classes. Now here we will be talking about the non-finite verbs. The non-finite verbs are those verbs which are not changed according to the tense and according to the time. They are called the non-finite verbs. Now the question is raised that why do we people use the non-finite verbs? What is the function of the non-finite verbs in the grammar? We use the non-finite verbs when we are talking about the near future. When the actions are next to one another, in that case, in that situation, we use the non-finite verbs. We use the infinitives. These are both same words. The infinitive and the non-finite verbs, they are being used interchangeably. There is no problem, there is no issue, okay? Now let's talk about in the detail about the non-finite verbs. To plus base form of the verb. Now you have to keep in your mind these words. There are 5 forms of the verb. First form of the verb, second form of the verb, third form of the verb. And for example, I will give you here the practical example. Go, first form. Goes, second form. Going, third form. Went, fourth form. And the fifth form, go, went, gone. So they become 5 forms. Okay, so the verb has 5 forms. Whenever we use the first form of the verb, that will be called the infinitive. And we frequently use to with the infinitive. To plus base form of the verb is called the non-finite verb. Okay, and there are 5 forms of the verb. It is not the main verb of the sentence. Keep in your mind, it is not used as the main verb of the sentence. It is used in different ways. Later on I will talk about these. Okay, now here I have given some examples. The finite verbs in the non-finite finite verbs you will understand inshallah in a better way through these examples. He goes to play cricket. Now look at here. He goes to play cricket. They go to play cricket. He went to play cricket. Although these verbs, they are changed. He goes. Whenever we are talking about the singular subject, so we use with the infinitive es rs, we add, okay, with the base form of the verb. He goes, they go. Whenever we are talking about the plural subject, so we use just base form, the root form of the verb. And whenever we are talking about the past tense, we use the second form of the verb. So these verbs, they are changed according to the subject and according to the tense. But now look at here, to play, to play, to play, they are not changed according to the tense and according to the time, according to the subject. They remain. same like this. So we use the infinitive in this case. Okay, use of the infinitives. The infinitives, they are used in three different ways. Sometimes they give us the meaning of the adverb, sometimes they are used as the noun, and sometimes they are used as the adjective. Now let's talk about these three types of the infinitive. Uses of infinitive. Infinitives used as a noun. He likes to play. He likes to play. Now look at here. To play, this is not the main verb. It is used as the noun. To play. I want to write. I want to write. It has used as the noun. Keep in mind, it is not the main verb. It has used as the noun. And to dance. And look at here. He likes to play. It has come as the object of the sentence. Object of the sentence. And to dance is her hobby. The infinitive, it can also come in the place of the subject. Okay, to dance is her hobby. Now here, infinitive used is the adjective. I have no time to eat. I have no time to eat. Not to eat, it modifies no time. It is the adjective of the no time. It has used as the adjective. I have no time to eat, and that was a game to watch. It modifies the game. So it plays the role of the adjective. The last but not the least, infinitive used as the adverb. It also modify the verb. She reads to gain knowledge. Now look at here. To gain, it modifies reads. She reads to gain knowledge. It has used as the adverb of the sentence. So they are used in three different ways. Now let me tell you one thing here. Here is no space available, so I will tell you orally all these things. The first, the bare, these are also the types of the infinitives, bare infinitives. When to is not used with the base form of the verb, basically the to is hidden in this sentence. So that will be called the zero infinitive or the bare infinitive, right? For example, let me play. Let me to play, but it is hidden here. Let me play, and he made me laugh. Laugh here and play, they are both the infinitive words. This is not needed to come in every sentence to with the base form of the verb with the infinitive. Sometimes it is omitted. Okay, the second, full infinitive. These are the examples which are related to the full infinitive verbs. To play, these are the full infinitive verbs. And the split infinitive verbs, when to plus base form of the verb, in the middle of these two words the adverb or the adverbial phrase come, so that is called the split infinitive verb. For example, the teacher told us to quickly read the book. The teacher told us to quickly. Now look at here. Quickly has come in the middle of these two words. So we say to this sentence the split infinitive verb. To quickly read. To quickly read. This is called the split infinitive verb. So it was our today class about the non-finite verbs. And in the non-finite verbs, the gerund and the participle, they are also come in this category. Later on, I will talk about the gerund in the participle in the detail. So watch our videos, spread the useful knowledge, share these videos to your friends, relatives, through WhatsApp, Messenger, and the Facebook. That will be very kind of you. Thanks a lot of you. Thanks about that.